So starting up a new company, developing a product is quite a cumbersome process. So not only developing it, engineering it, simulating it, and making it is not easy. So today we want to talk about 3 short-term benefits of using a product lifecycle management system and 3 long-term benefits. So Linnea.
Yes, so I'm going to start with the 3 short-term benefits. And you get a more streamlined product development, you get improved collaboration, and you also get a better quality control.
For sure. And also we have some long-term benefits. So better product data management, which is valuable to your customers, but also to your investors, improved product design, and last but not least, eventually get a lot of efficiency and scalability into your business, because hopefully you'll become a bigger scalable company. So by investing in a cloud-based PLM system, you can definitely reap the benefits of moving into a fast and strong environment. Talk to us if you want to hear more.